Hi there, this is my lock, and this is a Master Lock 410 Loto. It's a 401 keyway, and it's one of the locks I recently received from the wonderful Jack Fox. A link to Jack's channel will be up here and down in the description. If you haven't already, check out his channel, say hello and subscribe. So yeah, before we pick this, I'll just do a comparison here. So on the left, the 410, we've got a thick steel shackle. If I get a magnet, well, you can see that's highly magnetic. Oh, sorry about that. And on the right here, I have the Master Lock S31. So we can see the body is slightly narrower and slightly taller. And same with the shackle. The shackle is narrower but slightly taller. And if we check here, it is non-magnetic. So try and put those magnets back without making such a noise. So let's give the Loto a pick. So we'll pop that in there, and very light tension. I always find with these Lotos that the feedback's always really vague until you get into the false set. Once you get that false set, the spool action is great. So let's I think that's me in a false set there, and trying to keep the tension light, and just looking for that counter rotation like I have there. Get onto the pin properly, and yeah, there's light tension and there's light tension. But I think I didn't lose my false set. So let's pin 1, I think might be the last pin to set, and it's hiding up there behind the tensioner. I'm using a shallow hook, so yeah, getting up there we go. Pin 1 was the last. So remember not to over rotate the core or you'll end up with a rattle. But we are open. And the S31. Yeah, somebody's put a dot there just to remind me which what side is definitely top of the keyway. So again, very vague feedback until we drop into that false set, and then We just hunt for feedback. Let's try not to keep dropping the bloody tensioner this time. One, two, three, four. That was three. I think I slipped off three. There we go. Three was the last one. I slipped off it on the first attempt. So there we go. They both feel identical to pick, so I'm pretty sure the spools in these are the same. It's just the shackle and the dimensions that are slightly different. So thanks once again, Jack, for these locks. Much appreciated. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Cheers.